So my first problem is 3 times negative x plus 2, and that's saying, as using the distributive property, I'm going to be having 3 groups of negative x plus 2. That's what I showed here. So negative x, that's why I have my red, and then plus 2. I have 3 groups of all those. I combined all those, and I got negative 3x plus 6. My second problem was 2 times x plus 4, saying that there's 2 groups of my x plus 4. That's what I showed here, all positives, and I have 2 groups of those, and I combine those to get 2x plus 8. And then my third problem was 2 times 2x plus 1, saying that I have 2 groups of 2x plus 1, which I showed here, all positive, and then I combine those to get 4x plus 2. These problems are a little bit different. I used this diagram here to help me. So I had 3x plus 2 times x plus 3. Showing here, these are my x's and these are my 1's, and then I multiply each of these to get x squared, and multiply this side to this side, x squared and x squared, totaling to a 3x squared. And then I combined all these like terms, and it's easy because these were positives, to get plus 11x plus 6. My second problem here is 3x minus 2 times x minus 1. So my solution is in here. I got x times x, which is x squared, 3 times, and then I take my positive x times my negative 1 to get negative x 3 times, and then I take my negative 1 times my negative 1 to get 2 positives, and these 2 right here were my positive x times negative 1. So my solution is 3x squared minus 5x plus 2. My last equation here is 3x plus 4 and 2x minus 3. I multiply all these x's together to get these x squares for a total of 6, and then I multiply my positive 1's times my x's to get 4 positive x's here and 4 positive x's here. Down below, I'm multiplying a negative times a positive, so these are negatives, and I get a total of negative 9x. And then right here I have negatives, a negative 1 times a positive 1, which will give me all negatives, so I get a total of negative 12. After I zero pair these with these over here, I get a total of negative 1x, so my solution is 6x squared minus 1x minus 12.